First day back doing CrossFit? What the heck?
Yeah, I haven't actually read it. All I know is Adam told me to fuel up. That.
That too, kind of.
Are you so pumped?
I actually am really pumped.
How long since you've done regular?
I learned this move yesterday. Stretch the shoulder out. You want to do it? I need a partner. I'm feeling down in the dumps.
We gotta be done in 40 minutes because I got a personal trainer at 11.
Okay. Echo bike. Lunges.
Yeah.
Dumbbell cleans. Double unders.
What?
And rowing.
Well, I just went and helped John dig a trench at his house. And it was my fault.
Not bad. I haven't done any of that stuff in months.
What? I've always liked
Wait, hold up. You got drug tested this morning?
Yeah, I got drug tested this morning.
Why?
Because I'm an athlete.
Because she's taking drugs. They think she's on the sauce now.
Does she look like she's on the sauce?
Got that PRP in the shoulder. She's definitely on the drugs.
But you know what's funny is when you get drug tested, you're like, I know I'm clean, but you're like, oh my God.
It's like when a cop pulls you over and you know you didn't do anything wrong.
I was so stressed. I was like, why don't you guys tell us when we pass? They only tell you if you fail. I think that's a flaw. Yeah, I've never been told.
I get told every time. Curtis calls me, and then he leaves a voicemail, and then it's like, hey, give me a call back when you get this. And that's it. So then you're like, did I fail? Like, what just happened? Then he called me, he's like, hey, I just want to let you know you passed. Are you okay if we announce it? I'm like, I don't care. Clean as a whistle.
What was the experience weird? How's it go?
No, experience was great. I set it up where it was like my morning pee, so I'm not.
Oh, how much advance did you get?
I found out yesterday, like afternoon. So you get kind of a lot of time. And they were telling me like people will take like all this crazy shit to like dilute their pee, and they can like tell because they have a little pee checker thing. Anyways, yeah, it was a good experience. The guy, I can't remember his name, but
do they have to watch you pee?
Yeah, kinda. They're up in there. Yeah.
There was a dude?
Well, no, it was a dude and a woman.
Oh.
And then the woman comes in the bathroom.
Okay.
But this time was nice because I had Obi there. He was sitting next to me on the toilet. Yeah. Yeah, it was a pleasant experience, I would say. 90-90 band.
Yeah, look, at least I make the environment fun, Mike.
Hey, that was fun. Be a good one.
Well, here, should we greet everybody the way Mike FaceTimes Liam? So we're in the hotel in Madrid. Every time Mike would FaceTime Liam and Brandy, like normal people, right? You pick up, hey, how are you? Every time this dude would go, hey, hey, hey. Ask Brandy.
Yeah, he's 3.
He is 3. Brandy, how loud is it when Mike yells at you on the FaceTime?
How do you greet your children?
I'm stuck. I'm definitely tearing the shirt right now. Hey, will you tell me if my chest actually touches the bar? Alexis, will you tell me? If my chest touches the bar?
Chest touch, let's see.
No rep.
that was my try. All right.
Oh, yeah, that's a good rep.
I think there was some contact there.
Okay.
It looked like it.
Would it be weird if I did something right here?
I'm done here.
Okay.
Yeah, Mike.
I hope she throws up right now. Now the real stuff.
Gotta make your arms get smaller. How sore do you think he's gonna be from this? Are you already at failure? Come on, baby. Feel the burn. Feel the burn. Feel it. feel it?
Ah,
How's it going?
it's in the tendons. Did you say it would be weird if I did something weird here?
What is going on? Adam, I think. No, it's weird, but I need to do it. So my program is don't.
I sometimes feel like a potato.
What? What's happening? Do you want a TRX bands? I want some. We can probably go find some TRX bands somewhere.
No, I made one.
P90X. P90X coming back.
I have tried P90X.
Nice.
There's zero chance.
I did Ab Ripper X. Did you do that?
What?
Ab Ripper X. Do you know what that is? It's P90X. It's an ab program. It didn't work.
That was actually really impressive doing it. Thanks, man.
Plyometric bicep curls. If he was 40, that would be a detachment. Full rupture.
Is it really that crazy?
I don't know, probably not.
Are they silly? Are they silly?
Yeah, I do. I do. You hear that? I'm saying yes.
She was doing.
What are you doing today?
I was gonna do.
Besides distracting your mom.
Wow, look, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to provide entertainment.
You got me pumped already.
No, you throwing the barbell is what just got you pumped.
He's RX plusing my strength work.
I messed my wrist up.
Because I think I. Oh yeah!
It's gonna be the intro to every video ever made now. Oh yeah!
Oh yeah, brother.
Oh man, I kind of miss Julian. Not gonna lie.
Where is he?
I have no idea. I think so. I just heard, oh yeah, brother.
Oh yeah, brother!
Randy will PR by like 30 pounds and then just be like, and like that's the celebration. I celebrate, I break a belt, I throw my belt around, I punch things, I get excited.
I break my hand or
Yeah.
something.
Oh, bro. P90X, I'm telling you, it's making a comeback. I'll be honest. I don't even know why I'm doing 2 pull-ups right now. I feel like everybody else has been doing strict movements, so I feel like I should do something. I don't know what
Are
I'm
there
even doing
even
right
like any? Is there any pulling in our workout?
now. No.
Are you doing a workout?
Well, we're down to 20 minutes, which most likely I'll probably get through the first 4 minutes, and then the lady I personal train will be here. So, you know, when you get this much freedom, sometimes it's a bad thing.
Okay.
Sometimes I like the full structure.
Warm up. We have 10
I don't
minutes.
warm up.
I know, but it's a workout warm up.
Shuttle runs? Okay. What? I don't run right now. Goblet squat. Jump
warm up
rope
my
speed
squat.
steps. With what? 53?
Oh. Jump rope, speed step.
Beaded rope or normal rope or?
I don't know.
good. This feels nice.
Yo!
How many reps? I don't have a clock anywhere. We're 4 minutes. Do the strict weighted. It's supposed to be butterfly kipping, chest to bar.
Yeah, I don't want to do
And then AMRAP's a 2.5 minute mark. But like, take your time between each one.
I was just doing 12.
Yeah.
That's enough. Come on.
Mike, do you have a swim?
Hi.
You getting all of this?
Cut it out. Cut it out.
I'll believe it
So
when I
when
see
Tiger was 3, that was
That's
Brandon.
exactly.
it. Okay.
16 jump rope speed
But really,
steps
who
count.
won yesterday?
The pro that was with us.
Okay, who got second?
Brandon.
Okay.
Brandon played lights out for not playing.
What does lights out mean?
Exceptional, beyond what he's typically plays, even when he plays all the time. Like every, but he couldn't play, but every ball it felt good.
How were they?
Lucky day, I guess.
It was a lucky day. And skier. All right, this is. All right, so pretty much this is all I'm going to get in based on our time constraints. Here's everybody the fittest.
Wait, hold on. I want to see the difference.
Brandon, walk, speed step.
Okay, ready?
Hello.
It's hard. If you power walk and shuttle runs, you have to drag your toes.
Drag your toes.
Do it fast.
Mike said if you're power walking, you got to drag your toes.
Whoa.
All right. Ready? Start.
How's Bill for this? What are you squatting at? 35? Salt and pepper, steer. Salt and pepper.
Watching the videos, you're like, wow, really watching myself. But the way social media is now, it's so brutal that like, it's probably making him more hated because of how much attention he's getting, you know? But he's actually delivering. It's pretty impressive.
Are they the best team right
We're
now?
talking about Connor Bedard. No.
How are my lightning? Are they good?
I don't know actually.
Yeah, it's my favorite team.
I haven't followed them.
Favorite team. Tampa Bay Lightning.
Probably fine.
I don't know one person on the team.
Victor Head.
I feel like you want to say something. I feel like your mind was turning. Do I look like Rocky or what? What did you think was going to happen there? I can tell you what is happening. It's my heart rate. My heart rate is up. 20 seconds. Chris, who do you think's going to win? I don't know. Just run to here.
I'm gonna run into the trash can.
What? No, just run on my road.
Can I start with Echo Bike?
No, that's the next part, which I'm not even going to be able to do now. Because
You're gonna have to do
17-minute warm-ups. Go! Warm up pace. Warm up pace. One. Two. I'm assuming this is what you meant by 4, yeah? 4. You what?
Don't mind me.
The all your monitors working on you, dirty little cheater. How many?
I don't know. How many?
What was it? How many? 4, 8. 8. I'll do 10. Oh, baby. 12. Watch this jump and there's 16, only the right foot. Okay. That's not just me. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 8, 9, 10. Is that 4? I think that's 4. We'll do an extra one.
Okay. Get her. PVC fitness every day. Crushing it. Doing it.
Renee, hello? Leave me! I can feel it! You're raising me!
Honeys, honeys!
Getting so fit today.
What you got there? This is the mobility corner.
This is the warm-up corner.
Biker gang. You getting the footage of this biker gang? It's pretty intense.
Good job.
Not gonna lie.
I didn't hear what he said. What are we doing? We're doing 30-minute echo bike progressions. I had them programmed, and then I made Adam do them, and then I made Colleen do them, and then I made James do them. So now I have friends. 20 seconds.
Are you restarting?
Good luck.
It was just the warm up. Yeah. And now he's skipping the workout.
Chris, move your ass. No, like shake it. Yeah. What gets sore, man?
Hamstring tuck is so much no, my calves, because for some reason the impact on the ground keeps me stiff. This feels like a lot of absorbing load, which is probably healthier for my knees, but it makes my like lower legs more sore.
Yeah.
Unless I'm running on it a lot. If I'm doing like all road running, coming to this makes me sore, and then vice versa.
Yes, the road makes my calves way more sore.
Yeah, just
I
like
can feel it in my feet here, but
the response off the ground is faster to me. Like,
right.
it feels like a faster reaction. What are we doing? We're doing, tell them.
7-minute mile, rest 2 minutes times 3. That one was 6:46, so the goal is just to go a little bit faster. So I'll do like 6:44 on this one, and then like 6:40 on the last one. But it's supposed to be a little bit slower than your 5K pace.
I'm not running 7-minute mile. I'm just running for 7 minutes. We got Chad tomorrow.
We do, yeah. If it gets hard, then I'll slow down.
Story of my CrossFit career, like 25. I would say 19.
My shoulders are burning. They're burning. What am I doing? I'm doing the Habdo special of wall walks to build shoulder endurance. Oh, it hurts. Three reps, 8 sets, Allison. 3 reps, 8 sets.
What am I doing? I have a terrible front rack and I'm trying to make it a little bit better by yanking my shoulders out of place.
What did you think of the end of Attack on Titan?
It was very sad and great. And yeah, I don't know. I'd read it already, so it wasn't exciting to me, but it was cool for it to be animated.
Hatch squat. I will be back squatting and front squatting twice a week for 12 weeks because I need a stronger squat.
I think. What? Yeah. We're rowing. I think you should do this workout with me. I think you should set it up, the camera, and then we go head to head.
What is it?
I wrote it down over there.
What are you doing?
An imam. Warming up for an imam. Calorie
You
row.
reading the workout?
Can you, what's
Is
that?
this it?
That's it. Can you read
This is
it?
your what the hell, man?
You can't read that?
All right, post in the comments if you could read any of this. Does this really help?
Yeah.
All right,
I mean, it's clean, it's clear.
that's wild. What's James doing?
Lifting of some sort. No, but I'll use it if you start it.
What do we got in the headphones right now?
Little Drake, Too Good. You know, keep it drizzy.
Where are you going?
To the bin? To the trash?
That was a long way to get to the trash can. That's the recycle bin. I remember my first time in the U.S.
Yeah, we don't recycle in this film.
How'd it go?
Great. Now the hardest part of the workout.
What?
Putting this thing away. Gotta go play Tetris. Bye.
What's up?
I think this is a good place to end the video. So you want to send us off on YouTube? Say thanks for watching or anything like that?
Thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all.
Say that's been the sights and sounds of TTT.
That's been the sights and sounds of TTT.
Now walk off into the sunset.